Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings immediately. This places controls at your fingertips. First, make sure Windows 10 is up to date so style options are available. Next, right-click the Start button or press Windows key plus I to open Settings quickly. Once in Settings, choose Personalization, then select Start. That path leads directly to the options you'll change. Make sure your user account has admin privileges because some layout features save per user profile and require permission to persist. Now you'll adjust the visible style settings to suit your workflow. Turn on Show More Tiles if you want a denser grid. Enable Use Start Full Screen for a tablet-like experience. Pin, unpin, and resize tiles. Drag tiles to form groups and label them because grouping improves discoverability. Also decide whether the app list appears on Start and whether to show recently added apps, since those reduce search time. Once done, sign out and back in to confirm layout changes. Apply consistently across. Finish with polish and a quick troubleshooting step so your Start style stays reliable. Adjust taskbar and colors in Personalization to match Start's accent and transparency, ensuring visual coherence. For enforced or repeatable layouts, like in a business, you can export and apply a Start layout with PowerShell. Do this carefully because it overwrites user customizations. If the Start menu stops responding after changes, restart Explorer or run sfc/scano. This repairs corrupt system files and often restores Start functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.